Assalamualaikum from Dill-icious Pickles.
And I'm Starla from Starla Seasonings, Dips, and Mixes. And today we're going to be making
Dill-icious Pickle Dip.
So what are we starting with?
We're going to start with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese.
And then next we have,
Half a cup of Westby sour cream.
I love Westby sour cream. It's made right here in Wisconsin and it's so creamy. And then what's your favorite one of my seasonings to add?
Probably peppercorn ranch because it really adds flavoring to it.
So it has a nice garlic, onion, and some peppercorn. So she's just gonna do a half a package because it's a pretty strong flavor.
Like that?
That looks perfect. Good job. And you also like it zipped up a little bit, and how do you do that?
You could also add some of her dill.
Sneaky dill?
Her sneaky dill. And it has a dill flavor to it, but then the jalapeno sneaks up on you.
Hence the name, sneaky dill, right?
Yeah.
And we'll get this blending. And what are you gonna add next?
Pickles. So we chopped up a jumbo pickle, my jumbo Dill-icious pickle. We're gonna put it in when she's done with that.
So we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients by hand because it leaves you with a nicer texture. So you have one jumbo Dill-icious pickle. And we also have some other flavors. You could use Grandma's Garden, mustard horseradish. We just came out with a new Bloody Mary mix.
The Bloody Mary is very good.
So that would be a nice enhance to this.
If you ever see us, I recommend trying it.
The Bloody Mary, yeah.
Or any of them.
And then we have some green onions. You want to do that one?
Yeah.
So that's probably what, 1/4 cup green onions? Perfect.
One of those.
And then we have some Usinger's bacon. So this we cooked and we crumbled. Usinger's makes a fantastic bacon, and they also make a hatch bacon if you also want to increase the flavor of heat. So that's looking really good. And then if you want to also add some extra flavor, you could do some chopped up jalapenos to it. And what do you have there?
I have Cedar Valley cheddar cheese.
So Cedar Valley is right down the road from us, and they make award-winning cheese. So that's about 2 cups of Cedar Valley cheese. Oh yeah, that looks good. So you kind of eat this dip with a lot of different dipping tools. What are your favorites?
My favorites from 3 to 1 is probably Doritos, celeries, or pickles.
Oh, so you're gonna dip pickles in pickle dip. And which
not?
pickle? Yeah, that's a great idea. What pickle did you choose today?
I chose Grandma's Garden pickles. They have lots of flavor to it, and it's a refreshing flavor.
It is. So it's got garlic, onions, peppers, celery, carrots, and some cumin. So you can see how nice and chunky the pickle dip is. Boy, that's a nice chunky pickle.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
What do you think? Is it delightful?
That's very good.
So you can find the seasonings on starlaseasonings.com, and you can find the Dill-icious Pickles at a lot of your Wisconsin shows. You can find us on Facebook at Dill-icious Pickles. Thank you so much for joining us, and catch us in the future.
Thank you.